I wish that there was a way that you could come back down. Tell me all of the things that you hear underground. Is it quiet? Do you get out much? Have you learned to come to terms with forever? I wish that there was a way that you could stop the clock from tick tick taking away all the time that I've got. There was a moment, now it's over, gone. There was a time when it felt like forever was a day.